What's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best small wet dry vacuum cleaner. After deep research, we list the best small wet dry vacuum cleaners for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review the top 5 of the best small wet dry vacuum cleaners. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the products link in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Workshop Wet/Dry Vax Vacuum. With resilience, power, remarkable storage collection capacity, and numerous accessories, this Workshop Wet/Dry Vacuum Cleaner is for big-time cleanings. It boasts a big 6.5 HP motor and also a copolymer drum that stands up to the perspective fracturing of the standard plastic drum located in many wet/dry vacs. This model has an integrated auto shut-off float that detects when the liquid degree in the drum attains too high and shuts off the vacuum cleaner to avoid overflow mishaps. In addition to a blower link, a drain pipe spout, and a 7-foot tube, the attachments listing runs long and consists of all of the following: a wet nozzle, an energy nozzle, a car nozzle, and 2 extension sticks. Sometimes, when a device declares to have a specific amount of power, it becomes frustrating. The Workshop Shop Vac connected for the most powerful version in our examination and did not disappoint. This vacuum cleaner cleaned up the dust and sloppy water the fastest of all the vacuums in our analysis. We likewise liked that this design has a lot of onboard storage space places, allowing for even more add-on company than many other models. Additionally, draining pipes out of the unclean water was a cinch thanks to the built-in drain pipe plug. Our number 4 pick is the Craftsman CMaxy VBS 17-500 gallon. The classic style artisan wet/dry vac does not include many bells and whistles. Still, it features a powerful 4.25 HP electric motor and a sufficient 9-gallon collection storage tank suitable for cleaning up medium-sized messes discovered in most house workshops and garages. It is 16.61 inches long by 18.42 inches wide by 24.28 inches high, which is a little extra compact in size than completing medium-duty designs. The Artisan Vac comprises a 10-foot power cable and a 7-foot flexible pipe. It includes additional storage space, precisely this cylinder, and purchasers receive several different attachments, including a wet nozzle, energy nozzle, gap device, and 2 extension sticks. This model from Artisan is not the most powerful and doesn't have the highest possible ability, but the corded shop-style vac finished the job throughout testing. It ended with dust along with muddy water. It did call for a bit of assembly, consisting of affixing the wheels to the bracket and the brackets to the vacuum, but it had not been awful. Our number 3 pick is the DeWalt 20 VMAX Cordless. Those searching for a light-duty shop-type vac may need to look no more than this cordless wet/dry vacuum powered by a 20 EV lithium-ion battery. Weighing in at just 8 pounds, this vacuum cleaner is lightweight and sufficient to lug from space to space efficiently, and also users can take it to remote areas without electric outlets, such as garden sheds. This light-duty vac includes a small-capacity 2-gallon collection storage tank and is just 17.25 inches long by 12.31 inches vast by 13.12 inches high, so it's feasible to keep it on a shelf in the garage or workshop with ease. It features a 5-foot flexible tube, and a top takes care for carrying. In addition, buyers get a whole tool and wide nozzle device accessory for cleaning up messes in various areas. Our number 2 pick is the VACMASTER VB 1210. Appreciating a wet/dry vacuum cleaner's effective suction should not cost a lot. The VACMASTER Shop Vacuum comes with a medium-capacity 12-gallon collection container and a 5 HP electric motor. Most importantly, it comes with a budget-friendly price point. The VACMASTER stands 24.49 inches tall and is 20.52 inches in size. It comes with a 7-foot flexible tube and a 12-foot power cord. The vacuum cleaner does double duty as a blower by removing the power head from the canister and linking it to both consisted of extension sticks. The vacuum weighs in at 24.4 extra pounds, and purchasers get added nozzles and a crevice device for cleansing under challenging situations. It might take an even more distinguished honor if it had not been for the VACMASTER's deficient cost factor. The fact is that we found this vacuum to be as good as the various other models on this listing. It may be a 5 HP vacuum, but the design allows for suction as powerful as the more giant vacuums we checked. Additionally, this model has a detachable electric motor that the customer can run as a corded leaf blower. The one disadvantage we found is that it does not feature a HEPA filter, yet most don't. Our number 1 pick is the DeWalt 12-gallon poly. For tidying up after DIY and various other family projects, the DeWalt Wet/Dry Vac stands apart. It has a medium-capacity 12-gallon collection container and a powerful 5.5 HP electric motor for solid suction. The intense yellow canister stands 25.4 inches tall and 17.5 inches in diameter, which is so large that many individuals will require to stow it in a garage or workshop. The DeWalt vacuum cleaner includes a 20-foot power cord and a 7-foot-long versatile suction hose. This tool considers 24.9 extra pounds and comes with a handle that makes it simple to bring up a staircase or lots right into a truck bed. The vacuum likewise includes some devices consisting of an energy nozzle and hole tool for different cleaning work. Customers again obtain an awesome accessory storage bag that connects to the vacuum. Throughout testing, the DeWalt showed to be an exceptional vacuum overall. While it wasn't one of the most effective versions, it was quick and efficient. We especially liked the onboard storage space bag as it does a better task of preserving add-ons than any other approach. The only disadvantage we could discover is that arrangement took a while since the wheels and their brackets, along with the frames for the tool bag, required putting together. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.